Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. I wanted to show you a half updo and half down. It's huge for proms, it's huge for weddings. So, I mean, it makes it look so beautiful because you could still have the length of your hair, but yet it has something fun and exciting at the top. So you need a paddle brush, you need a tail comb, and 2 clips. If you want to make it fun too, you could even zigzag it. So it's not exactly a straight line. And then you're going to pull up to the other side. Same thing, do a little zigzag. Okay, now I love the paddle brush for this part of it. Right? You get that piece, yep. And make sure it's pretty even on the both sides. And you could do it to her part, but just grab it. And see how I'm holding that hair? And then you're gonna take your hand and you're gonna hold that brush. Hold it up and figure out where you want that ponytail to be. And I want it to be like really at the crown. And I want it high, so you could do curls. You could do curls throughout all the hair, or if she wants it straight, you could do it straight too. And it's like a waterfall. How cool is that? Having a waterfall hair for your hair. And if you need it higher, you could always put little bobby pins in there to make it higher. Okay. And you can make it, let's just say she wants it up front more. You could do that. And then if you want to do it back a little bit, and then you could wrap it around and do a little ponytail. I mean, a bun. Her hair is definitely difficult. Or you could take 2 of them. Another little trick that I've learned too is that you can also separate this. Okay. And then you put this through. Probably have to twist it. Twist it, bring it through. And that'll make a cute little added thing to it that you could also design with. You take pieces of that hair. You can start creating like a little tiny updo. All right, so you might need a large one. Remember, people's hair is a lot easier than a mannequin, so you take this, it's slipping right off. And you can twist it in, twist it in, twist it in for a messy bun. But you're gonna have to crisscross it because that's the only way on this kind of mannequin head it would stay, but that's what you do anyway. You're supposed to have like a watch or something that you lift your thing, but I just do it with my teeth because they're all clean. Just saying. All right, so you could have a little messy bun there. And you got to get things that are shorter. Anyway, half up, half down. You could curl it. You could do all kinds of things with it. You can make S curls. And I have other videos that you could actually do, you know, for some different curling irons. There's so many different curling patterns that you could learn. Anyway, so this is a half up, half down. Hey guys, just to let you know too, there's always descriptions underneath the link. So always, if you can't find something, just scroll up in the link. It always says read more, or you can connect to some of my other videos. So I just want to remind you, because a lot of people will ask me for, like, I did the Jaclyn Smith haircut, and then I also did shimmer highlights on her, but people will say, oh, that would look beautiful with shimmer highlights. Meanwhile, I have it in the description, her next video that I did with all that shimmer highlights. It came out so stunningly beautiful. So I just want to remind you, always look in the bio and the links that we put in there for you guys to connect to something else if that's what you want. And I do a lot of mindset stuff. I'm a strategic life coach, doing hypnotherapy, doing strategic life coaching to help people get over emotional baggage. So if you have any issues like that, just email me, kimmycan7@gmail.com, or success@coach-kimmy.com. So you can always reach me through an email if you really want to know. I've done a course that has I would say it's a complete emotional breakthrough. It's like 55 videos that I really help you overcome emotional distress and emotional stuff that we've kind of taken on from our childhood up. We don't even realize it, it's unconsciously. But I just want to remind you of that because a lot of times people struggle emotionally. So I want to help you in any way that I can. It's not just about hair, but I love hair, but I love people even more. So this is Coach Kimmy. I hope you guys have a great day.